Ever wondered if we're burning through our planet's energy resources faster than we can replenish them? We're living in a world heavily reliant on fossil fuels. From powering our homes, running our cars, to manufacturing goods, these energy sources are embedded in our daily lives. But here's the catch. They're not infinite. We're using them at a pace that far exceeds their rate of formation. This reliance on fossil fuels is leading us down a precarious path. Not only are we dealing with a looming energy crisis, but we're also grappling with the environmental impact. Fossil fuels, when burned, release greenhouse gases, contributing to the escalating climate change problem. The clock is ticking, and we're in urgent need of sustainable alternatives. We need solutions that strike a balance, solutions that meet our energy needs, without compromising the health of our planet. So, what could be the answer to this energy dilemma? Is there a balance we can strike between our energy needs and the health of our planet? Enter biofuels. So what are biofuels, and could they be a sustainable alternative? These are the questions we're about to tackle. Let's break it down. Biofuels are simply fuels derived from organic matter, often plant-based. Sounds pretty neat, right? That's because it is. Unlike fossil fuels, which take millions of years to form, biofuels are renewable. They can be produced over and over again, as long as we have the organic matter to create them. There are different types of biofuels, each with its own unique characteristics. For instance, ethanol, typically made from corn or sugarcane, is often blended with gasoline and used in cars. Then there's biodiesel, derived from vegetable oils and animal fats, which can power everything from city buses to industrial machinery. Biofuels aren't just renewable. They can also be a bridge to a more sustainable energy future. With the right strategies and technologies, we can harness the power of biofuels to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. Biofuels sound promising, but what exactly makes them a viable alternative to fossil fuels? Well, firstly, biofuels are a green alternative. Unlike fossil fuels, which release carbon dioxide that's been locked away for millions of years, biofuels come from recent plant matter that absorbed that same carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This cycle helps to significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions and combat climate change. Secondly, biofuels can provide energy security. They're produced from a wide variety of resources that can be grown almost anywhere in the world, which reduces dependence on unstable foreign oil markets. Imagine a world where energy is not only cleaner, but also more secure. Lastly, biofuels can bolster agricultural sectors. The production process can utilize waste products from farming and even stimulate job growth in rural areas. It's a win-win situation for the environment and the economy. While biofuels present an exciting alternative, they don't come without their challenges. It's important to remember that no energy source is perfect, so what are the drawbacks of biofuels? Now, while biofuels have their merits, they also come with a set of challenges. One of the most contentious issues is the food versus fuel debate. When we use agricultural land to grow biofuel crops, we may inadvertently divert resources away from food production, potentially exacerbating food shortages and driving up prices. Another concern centers around land use change. The conversion of forests and grasslands into biofuel plantations can lead to a significant loss of biodiversity and an increase in greenhouse gas emissions, somewhat negating the environmental benefits of biofuels. Lastly, we can't ignore the energy required to produce biofuels. From cultivation to processing, the energy inputs can sometimes outweigh the energy produced, leading some to question the overall efficiency of biofuels. Despite these challenges, biofuels still hold potential as part of a diversified, sustainable energy mix. Biofuels have their pros and cons, but what does the future hold for them? As we look ahead, it's clear that advanced biofuels hold immense potential. These next-generation fuels, derived from non-food crops or waste materials, could significantly reduce our carbon footprint without impacting our food supply. Ongoing research is striving to make these biofuels more efficient and cost-effective. Scientists are exploring innovative techniques like genetic engineering and nanotechnology to improve biofuel production. The aim is to produce biofuels on a large scale without causing harm to our environment. Future trends indicate a growing role for biofuels in our energy mix. As we strive to limit global warming to below 2 degrees Celsius, biofuels could offer a sustainable way to meet our energy needs. They could power everything from our cars to our industries, all while reducing greenhouse gas emissions. The path to a sustainable energy future is complex, but biofuels can be a vital part of the journey.